Hi viewers, this is Varatharajan from TradersCafe Bangalore. So here we are trying to do an analysis for tomorrow's range for Nifty, and today we will do Bank Nifty also along with Nifty. So yesterday we have discussed that no, we will have a support somewhere around 600. Almost the market has closed the same range, and beautifully Nifty is taking a support at 200 EMA, and we are above 20 EMA. So until we cross yesterday's high, we may not see uptrend actually at this particular point in time because we have a couple of resistance at this levels. This is the level where we have our resistance. So once this resistance is broken, then we might look at the uptrend. And tomorrow being RBI review and things like that, tomorrow is an event day. So we might see some sort of big volatility tomorrow. So for to understand tomorrow's range, this thing, we will use our EMAs, 20 and 200 EMA for better understanding. And we are using a 1 hour time frame, and we are well above this 200 average, and we are just in the border of 20 EMA. So tomorrow, what might happen would be we might see a downfall, or we would come near somewhere around 23,500 range. Then from here, the market might get a direction, or if this play fails, then we might come to this gap filling range, which is somewhere around 23,350 range. So once this gap is filled, then we might see an uptrend. So saying that, tomorrow we could expect somewhere else in maybe a very little positive open, or maybe uh, a range bound opening tomorrow. And let us break into 15 minutes. So, even 15 minutes is supporting at 20 EMA. So, 20 EMA, and as I said, mentioned earlier, and a couple of, yesterday's video also, there is a gap which should have been filled. So now let us see on the 1 day chart, and we will take support of our RSI. So RSI is in the range of 50. Probability is that tomorrow we could touch this level 23,450 range. Then from here we will take a direction. And let us look at the weekly chart of this Nifty. There is a good correlation between Nifty and Bank Nifty at this point in time, which was missing for quite a long time, and recently it started this thing. So here you are having a bullish engulfing last 2 weeks, and if we compare the Bank Nifty part, so Bank Nifty is stuck at, Bank Nifty is also blocked by 20 EMA, and this is the weekly chart where you will find the same sort of the candle patterns which is similar to Nifty. So now both the Nifty and Bank Nifty is working in the same with the same correlation. See, sometimes what happens, Bank Nifty and Nifty may not this thing, but by default, it should be in a same. We should have a correlation, but very few times, it will not have a correlation. It might, it may not support. Sometimes Nifty may not be getting the support from Bank Nifty. But now RSI is also in a positive, it is trying to have a crossover. Once the RSI is crossing above 50 range and sustains there, then we might see a bigger move in Bank Nifty also. And let us come down to 1 day chart in Bank Nifty. The Bank Nifty is also taking a beautiful support at 200 EMA. And yesterday, if you observe the 200 EMA is taking a beautiful support. Candles are taking support at 200 EMA. It's the same way if you compare this Nifty also, it is almost taking the same sort of support. If they are really the same similar pattern which is forming in Nifty and Bank Nifty. In while we go in 1 hour's time frame, we have 20 EM is supporting very well for Bank Nifty. So tomorrow, so this is the resistance what we have in Bank Nifty also this particular place. This is the thing, and if you observe, this is a very beautiful formation which is happening in uh, Bank Nifty. Once this range is broken, we might see a uptrend and we could see 51,000 very shortly, provided it breaks this levels, this resistance. Then we would see we might test 51,000 also, maybe next week for Wednesday or so, depending on the other factors. And here we are almost in a very good uptrend in Bank Nifty. Almost this is also trying to do a cross the EMA on the our RSI. So saying that we would expect something good move, and there is a rate cut which is expected. Until we don't get a negative news, probability is that we will retain this particular levels, maybe somewhere between Bank Nifty could come down to 49,700 range, then it could bounce back. Depending on the events tomorrow, we might see big volatility in both Nifty and Bank Nifty, and we would see a flat opening in both the case. And tomorrow, around once this RBI meeting is over, the market will get the direction, and we may see very good move in both the indexes. Thank you.